Hey y'all, welcome back. Okay, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about secret mission apps. Okay, secret mission apps that are sending you on secret missions and are getting you paid. And we are also going to be talking about another app. It's paying us to shop. Okay, we are accumulating points on this app and we are getting money back. Okay, y'all. So yes, this is going to be an interesting video. I'm really excited for this one. Okay, and if you are new here, hello, how you doing? Okay, my name is Ashley K. I specialize in videos on lifestyle. I specialize in videos on money, but most importantly, I show you how to live your best budget friendly life. Yes, we are here in sync. Okay, so yes, okay, we get you all the way together when it comes to things on this channel. So if that's something you are interested in, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I mean, you should be already subscribed already. It's free. Hello. Okay, I'll be giving y'all gems. I'll be dropping the gems when it comes to stuff on this channel. Be sure to be a subscriber. Okay, like this video up if you like content like this. Okay, why not? Okay, be sure to follow me on all my social medias as well too. Okay, so now we got that junk out the way. Okay, y'all, let's get into the secret missions. Okay, because we are going on spy missions. Okay, this is some CSI and we are getting paid to do these little missions. Okay, y'all, so definitely stay tuned and let's get into. So the first app that I want to talk to you about is called ProductTube. Okay, you guys, and what ProductTube actually is an app that basically just pays you to go out and do little missions. Okay, you guys, and these missions can range from like $50, $25. There's different price ranges for these missions and they're super easy to do. Even through COVID and everything like that, they're super easy to do. You can go ahead and go to the store, put on your mask and do these apps, because what they basically are paying you to do is do key market research. So you're gonna go out into the world and kind of, they may ask you to go to a store and kind of take a picture of like a display in a store or in like a Walgreens or something like that. Like, this app is only available in the USA, so I definitely want to give the PSA out there for you guys. So USA users, definitely listen up. Okay, so this app basically pays you to just go up into like a Walgreens, go up into a store or what have you. They will specify which stores they will want you to go, and all they basically will ask you to do is probably maybe shoot a little video about the products that you have been looking at, or whatever the products that they have asked you to do research on. You probably might have to take a little 5-minute video in the display area of a store. Okay, y'all, you may have to take a picture of a display. So that's basically what it is. Like, they're basically sending you out and making you do little missions throughout your little town or your city or whatever, and you're basically getting paid to do like on foot key market research for certain brands. So I think that is super cool, y'all. Okay, this is a great way to make passive income. My young people that don't really got a lot of experience and probably not working right now, even older, all you have to do is basically go in the store and basically take a picture or take a video. Super easy to do, and that's like minimal work. You probably could do it on your, you know, normal quarantine walk. You can definitely go out there and just shoot video and shoot content and pretty much upload it to ProductTube. So I think that is super cool. And this may be a little nerve-wracking for some people that don't like to walk around and talk to their camera, but a little pro tip is, if you have headphones in or like AirPods in, nobody's gonna notice that you're on the phone filming videos and taking pictures for like a brand. Like, basically it would be super easy for you to do, because you could just act like you're on the phone talking to somebody on FaceTime. Like, super simple, super easy. Okay, y'all, so that's just a pro tip. If you may be scared to go out there, you know, you a little camera shy, go ahead and just put your little headphones in, act like you're just talking and having a regular conversation, and you know, just be shameless and get this money, because at the end of the day, you're getting paid to do like little things, and like the person that's watching you is probably not getting paid to do anything. So I think that is super cool. You definitely want to check out this website. Like I said, it is available in the USA, and the missions do range in price depending on what they would require you to do, but it's super simple. Like I just said, y'all, like it's really easy. You go into a store, you shoot a video, you shoot a picture, and then you're pretty much out. Like that's it. It's super easy to do. You could do multiple missions a day. Like if you have a different mission that you want to do like later in the day, you can kind of save everything for your quarantine walk and hit one store and hit the next and just get your money and be out. Like really simple way to just rack up the coins, and very passive as well too, y'all. So I think this is really cool. You definitely want to check it out. Another app that is similar to Product 2 is called Field Agent. So this one actually pays you to shop online, and they actually have option where they have a buy and try type of thing. So they will actually pay you to buy certain items online or things like that, and then you can try it out and then leave a review about a particular product or the particular thing that they want you to review, and then you get money for that basically back. So what you can do, because it is a buy and try, y'all, like you can actually return the items if you don't like them. Like that's just something that, you know, I'm saying, but you know, you can definitely go ahead and buy and try out the items, see if you like it, see if you don't, or whatever. Leave a positive review the item that you have bought, and basically, you know, if you don't like it or whatever, you can return it after you get your money. Like, you know, something simple, something to know. But yeah, definitely check it out for sure, okay? Because you can buy these things, and sometimes it could be random things. Like it ranges throughout whatever the products may be. What they basically want is a review, okay, y'all? So that's basically what they're really asking for, is a review for this particular item or particular company. So that's what they are asking for. And if it's something random, like it's not really your thing, you can just return it, and then you can keep your money, get paid twice. Hello. So very simple, easy to think about. But yeah, it's basically the same thing, key market research, and they're trying to find out what the experience would be for the consumers that are buying the items. So that's where you would come in. So you're basically just doing key market research for a particular company or a particular brand, and then you're getting paid back the money, okay, to do a review. So I think that is pretty cool. Sometimes I buy items and I give reviews and I don't get nothing back for it. So I think that's cool that they're actually paying you to give a review for certain items, okay, y'all? So that's another app I wanted to talk about on here, and like everything else, it will be linked down below with all the information and more little specs on the companies and on the apps as well too. And another app that basically does the same thing is called Drop, okay? Like I just recently found out about this app, and I have been using it a lot, and I have been racking up the points, y'all. It has been insane, the amount of points that I've been getting from this app. I actually prefer it over Rakuten, and mainly because when you do shop on Drop, okay, y'all, like you actually, there are brands on there like Amazon and CB2, and there's like so many like really high-end and also low-end brands on this app. And basically when you shop with them and you spend a certain amount, you get points back, and those points, when you rack them up, you can actually use to cash out and get like Starbucks gift cards, get like so many different things, like actual like cash gift cards or cash gift cards to Amazon. Like there's so many different things you can rack out your points on. So it's basically like shopping with the incentive. Like you're getting a lot of stuff back, you're getting points that you can use to spend and do a bunch of different things, and it's just an ongoing cycle, y'all. Like it's pretty dope. I really like it. I've been enjoying it so far, and I've been getting a lot of points just for doing regular shopping that I would do anyways. And because I'm getting points and I'm able to use it on a bunch of bigger purchases, I think that is really cool. Once you sign up down below, you guys will receive 100 points already to start with. You won't be starting your account off from scratch. You'll actually have money to start your account with some points. So definitely check it out. My code will be linked down below too, so you can go ahead and use my referral code, and then you will automatically receive your points right away. So I think it's really cool, y'all. Okay, definitely check out Drop for sure. Like you get a lot more perks when it comes to this app, when it comes to shopping online, and everybody is shopping online, so you definitely want to make sure you're getting as much bang for your buck online and definitely getting all the perks. $20. Okay, y'all, you already know. If you are a returning member of this channel, you know we like to squeeze dollars. Okay, we like to get everything we can from our dollar. Okay, it's bad enough we have to spend a dollar, okay, but we want a little incentive back. Okay, y'all, so definitely check out Drop. Like I said, everything will be linked down below. More information on the apps will be linked down below too. And yeah, y'all, this is a real quick video. I didn't want to make it too long or too lengthy at all. These are really simple apps that you can go ahead and do little missions on, and you can go ahead and do your little shopping missions and get paid. Okay, I think that is super cool. Okay, y'all, and if you did not check out the video before this video, I am running a giveaway, so definitely check out that video. Okay, it will be linked above as well too. So yes, definitely check out my videos. Follow me out on my social medias. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.